How to fix YouTube error fetching channel list for your account in your iPhone. If you're having constantly this issue, then this video is for you. To solve it, you have to just follow the two steps. The first one is simply open your control center from the top and make sure that your internet connection is working fine. Sometimes internet connection issue might also cause this problem in your YouTube. Once you check that, launch your settings on your device. Once you go through the settings, scroll down a little bit, there you will see general options, simply tap on it. From there, again scroll down, there you will see iPhone storage under general. Go through it. Then search for YouTube application. Once you found out, there you will see two options. Among them, choose delete app and delete your application from here. Once you do that, reinstall your application and sign into your account and your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.